What's up everybody, welcome back. So this won't be a normal usual video on a travel or tech, but this is on what's happening in the world right now, and I think this has to be more important than travel or tech. So all I can ask is please be patient. COVID-19 has made all our lives a living hell, and I hate to break it to you, but this is not going anywhere anytime soon. But we all together can make sure that we don't fall deeper into this mess and maybe don't get into more trouble. Every time there was a pandemic in 1720, 1820, 1920 and 2020, thousands and millions of people have died. But there's a special thing in 2020, that is our economy. We have a thing called economy which all of us are surviving on. People who work for everyday income has completely stopped. Business have shut down, companies are going under loss, people are getting laid off. Like there's no income, people are just spending and there's no income. Like there's no money coming back to people. You must be thinking, why am I talking so much about money? Like there's COVID-19 happening, health is more important, not money. Yes, I agree, like health is the most important thing in the world, but wealth is as important as your health. You need money to eat, you need money for your medicines, you need money if you want to go to hospitals, you need money for all your bills. For anything and everything you need money. Like it's like health and wealth are traveling at the same speed. But where will the money come from when there's no income, when there's no money coming back to you? Like every single person in the world is scared of this right now. You see, hold on. You see, any virus like COVID-19 needs at least 6 months to 1 year to find out what kind of virus is this, how it reacts, what it does to people or what it does to animals. And it needs at least 2 years to create a vaccine, research and create a vaccine. It takes 2 years minimum. So what's going to happen to this world maybe after corona, let's say after 2 years, let's say after vaccine comes? Believe it or not, money is not going to be around anymore like before. A lot of companies and businesses are going under loss due to COVID. So save it. Don't spend your money on what you want, but spend your money on what you need. You see, stock markets will crash, economy will go down. You don't need a new car, new clothes, new phones or anything else that you had planned for some time. Make sure to not spend your money on anything that you don't need. Where the money comes, your jobs, they are not going to be there for a while or not coming back at all. What will you do when there's no jobs? A lot of people, a lot of industries and sectors are going to take a huge hit. Builders, hotels, restaurants, travel industry, etc. It's not coming back anytime soon. So rather than watching Netflix and spending your time doing nothing, maybe acquire a new skill, learn something, get an education that can help you make money. I myself had to lay off a team of 5 people. As a business, I did not have any business coming around for a long time. No shoots, no meetings. I can't take the risk of paying them every month for 2 years. I had to do it. Cannot take a risk of spending money more than I can, and so should you. Learn digital marketing, learn making videos, learn editing videos, learn coding. There's so many other things where you can learn and work at home and earn, because this not going to be a traditional job for a long time. So create something for yourself that will make you money. If you're still in school or studying science and you're skeptical about taking medicine, so this is the best time to choose medicine and go for it. This pandemic taught every one of us that we don't need fashion influencers, we don't need travel influencers, we don't need motivational speakers, or definitely we don't need people who ask us to clap in your balcony and light a candle. What we need is you, doctors and nurses. They are the only ones who will help us, treat us and get better. As soon as this lockdown ends, the world is going to be completely changed and you're not going to like it, because it's going to really suck. You see, it's not just for 2 or 4 months, but a minimum of 2 years 2 years that will take us to get better and to get back to our normal lives. There will be no more events, no more weddings, no more traveling, no more partying, no more meeting new people, and definitely no more income. But not every one of us can do this. You have been to school, got an education, so you can upskill. What about people who are builders, garbage collectors, or anything that migrant people, workers, or daily wage workers do? All they can do is that one thing they have been doing for their whole lives. They did not get an education like the rest of us. They cannot upskill. So there's going to be more and more people who will enter poverty, and people who are rich is still going to be rich, and poor, well, just like you all, even I don't know what's coming for them. And none of us can do anything to escape for what's coming. Everyone in this world has shown compassion, sympathy, and empathy to each other till now. And it has to continue, because as I mentioned earlier, this is not going to end anytime soon. Look after yourself and others. Money may not come, but whom you have helped or whom you will help will definitely come back. So guys, stay home, stay safe, and I'll see you on my next video.